Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to approve a transaction in Kukai Wallet using a laptop, step by step in a clear and simple way. Transaction approval is required when you send XTZ, delegate, or the stake pledges, interact with decentralized application, sign smart contract action, and let's start. First, you need to open to your laptop and launch a web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or the Firefox. In the top, there's an address bar. Simply type down wallet.kukai.app and enter it. And make sure to log in your Kukai Wallet using your preferred method such as Google account, Twitter, Reddit, or the Ledge hardware wallet. And once logged in, you'll see your Kukai Wallet dashboard with your Tezos balance. Starting a transaction, now perform the action that requires approval. This could be sending or getting to your Tezos, connecting to a Tezos T app. When you click to get here, the Kukai Wallet will automatically open a transaction approval window, and in the approval screen, carefully review all the transaction details. You will see the amount of XTC being sent, or the delegated, the destination wallet address, or the smart contract, the network fee, gas fee, the operation type. Always double check the address is correct, the amount is correct, and the network fees looks reasonable. And that is it. That's how you can approve a transaction in Kukai Wallet on a laptop. Always review transaction details carefully before approving. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.